Time to plan my next move. Here we go!
Hey, try keeping up with me now, huh? Oh, yeah. Yo, check me out.
Good luck!
Well, Luigi, number one. Your day is done, Lightning. All right. I got this.
Here we go!
You know, you make a funny face when you're concentrating.
Yay. Oh, yeah.
Woohoo!
Here comes El Machismo!
Yahoo!
Here we go. Let's go.
Yay! Let's do this.
Get the history books ready, because I'm writing a new chapter. Now this is speed.
Bring it on.
Yeah, now it's on.
Oh, I get it. You think you're better than me, huh?
Fine! Get out of here!
Hey, quick, the camera's on me. Look at me. Me.
What's I'm in first? I don't give up.
Yeah! Where are your manners, boys? Ladies first.
Fine! Have a rotten day!
Yeah, whatever.
Whoa, take it easy.
Not bad for a rookie. This one is all mine.
Ah, I got you. Time for the show. Here we go.
Oh no! Yikes! What? Who did that? Somebody tell me who did that now.
Oh,
No. This is no good.
What's the big idea?
El Machismo does not lose!
Look out below! Clear out!
This is not good for my image.
Oh no! Whoa! Oh, that ain't right. Not cool.
Oh, why me?
Oh no!
Oh my God!
Oh, no.
Yikes!
Call my lawyer. And a tow truck.
Ah!
Ha! Excellent. I can see why cars enjoy this. You're just like your fuel, a fossil. I'm showing the world the power of... Oh dear. What is the meaning of this?
Get an oil change, you lemon.
Hello there. I'll put you to work.
Now that is not cool.
I'm showing the world the power of clean energy.
Oh, you'll pay for this.
Ha! Oh dear. Ah!
How you like that?